Today we are going to cook fish curry korma. So we're going to pluck the curry leaves. This is optional. If you have curry leaves, it would be good. And we have spring onions in our garden. This is for garnishing. The best would be coriander leaves, everyone. Yes. What we need is 3.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, about 1.5 cinnamon stick, 3 cardamoms, and 3 cloves, 1 red onion diced, 3/4 tablespoon of ginger, and 3/4 tablespoon of garlic. This to be blended. We have the curry leaves, which we plucked from our garden just now, and this is optional. 300 grams of carrots diced, 300 grams of potatoes diced, 3 tablespoons of korma curry powder. You can actually buy it in a packet. About 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 300 grams of tomatoes to remove the seeds and diced, 150 grams of cauliflower, 600 grams of fish fillet, 200 grams of low-fat plain yogurt, and 475 milliliters of low-fat milk. Okay, first we heat the pot. Okay, low flame everybody, we don't want to burn the ingredients. Then we add the vegetable oil. Then we add the spices. Make sure that your pot is dry, if not you will have all the oil splattering. Next we have the diced onion. Fry till the onion is a little bit pale and wilted, and let it caramelize. Then we add the curry powder. Oh, sorry, curry leaves. Okay, and then the blended ginger and garlic. Okay, by this time, right, the children will all be wondering, ooh, what's that smell? What is auntie cooking? This is one of the favorite dish in our school. The children simply love it. Okay, important to cook the blend ingredients a while more, because you don't want to have that raw garlic, ginger and onion taste. So keep it a while, continue stirring, but don't burn it. We add the carrot and potatoes first, because carrots and potatoes takes a longer time to cook. Ultimately, what you can do is to boil the carrots and potatoes separately first. We mix everything up. Okay, now it's boiling. We give it a stir. Smells really good, everybody. Next, we add the cauliflower. Cauliflower cooks real fast, so we should not add that first together with the potatoes and carrots, okay? And then the tomatoes and the fish. Fish cooks fast too, so we put that the last and give it a careful stir so that the fish will not break and get mashed. and just a little bit of salt. If the dish is too thick, then you can add a bit of water, okay? Yummy, yummy. Let's close again. Small flame. And let the rest of the ingredients cook together. Now it's all cooked and ready to be served. Then we add the garnishing to add a little bit of greens to the dish. Ta-da! This is our fish curry korma dish with cauliflower, potatoes and carrots. Yummy! Enjoy!